भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्य स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। Third Karika, let us chant together. Page number 129. Atma ह्याकाशवज्जीवैर् घटाकाशैरिवोदितः घटादिवच्च संघातैर् जातावेतन्निदर्शनम्. So Paramatma is like Mahakasha and Jivatma is like Ghatakasha. From Paramatma alone there is as if Jivatma Utpatti or Uktaha, Uditaha, both meanings are given in Bhashya. And Ghatadivaccha Sanghata, the Sanghata Utpatti is also from Akasha alone. So from Paramatma alone Jagat, Upadhi, and from Paramatma alone Jiva appears to be born. We are seeing in Tika on 130, fourth line from the bottom, Jivaihi ityadi vyachaste. In Bhashya, Jivaihi Kshetrajnaihi Ghatakashaihi iva Ghatakashatulyehi Uditaha Uktaha. So Paramatma Jivaihi Tulyaihi Uktaha. Just like Akasha Ghatakasha Tulyaihi Uktaha. As if Akasha is said to be similar to Ghatakasha, Paramatma is said to be similar to Jiva or Kshetrajna. Sa eva Akasha Samaha Para Atma. That Para Atma is Akasha Samaha, Akasha Sadrisha. Tika Jivakarena Paramatma eva Uktaha. Main meaning is this: I am Brahma. I am not Sansari. I am not Parichina. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi iti smritehe tirtha. Understand Kshetrajna also as me. What is the meaning of api? Correct. Kshetra also and Kshetrajna also. Iti smritehe tirtha. उदित शब्दश्चेत् उक्तार्थः तर्हि परस्यैव आत्मनः संघातरूपेण उक्तत्वे सप्रपंचत्वं प्रसज्येत इत्याशंक्याः. By the udita shabda, if you say the meaning is uktaha, because Bhashyakar gave that meaning first, then tarhi parasyaiva atmanah sanghata rupena uktatve. Paramatma alone is said to be sanghat also. Then there is saprapanchatvam prasajyeta. 7 number tippani. Uktatve means uktehe pramana rupatvat. When it is said means it is said as pramana, then Brahma will be saprapancha. Prapanchena saha vartate iti saprapancham. Saprapanchatvam prasajyeta. Tasya brahmanaha paramatmanaha atmanaha iti ashankya athava. Now uditaha he gives another meaning. Athava ghatakashair yatha akasha uditaha utpannas tatha. Uditaha he gives the meaning utpannaha. First meaning he gives udita uktaha. तथा परो जीवात्मभिः उत्पन्नो जीवात्मनां परस्मादात्मनः उत्पत्तिर या श्रूयते वेदान्तेषु सा महाकाशात् घटाकाशोत्पत्ति समा न परमार्थतः इत्यभिप्रायः. अथवा घटाकाशैः यथा आकाश उदितः उत्पन्नः. आकाश alone is born as घटाकाश. Mahakasha is alone born or utpanna as Mathakasha, Karakakasha, Anyakasha. Utpanna tatha, in the same way, Paro Jivatma Bhihi Utpanna. Paraha, Paramatma, Jivatma Bhihi Utpanna. Paramatma alone is born as Jivatma. Paramatma is born as Jivatma means Paramatma alone thinks he is Jivatma. Now, उत्पन्न है इफ यू से अविद्या. जीवात्मनाम परस्माद आत्मनः उत्पत्ति ही. जीवात्मनाम, व्हाट इज विभक्ति देयर? षष्ठी बहुवचन. परस्मात् एक वचनम. आत्मनः पंचमी एक वचनम. उत्पत्ति ही प्रथमा एक वचनम. सो जीवात्मनाम उत्पत्ति ही परस्मात् आत्मनः श्रूयते वेदांतेषु श्रूयते. उत्पत्ति ऑफ जीवस is from Paramatma is heard in Vedanta, where see 1 number tippani yatha sudiptat pavakad visfulingaha sahasrasha prabhavante sarupaha इत्यादिषु वेदांतेषु इत्यर्थः. टीका. तर्हि न आत्मा अश्रुतेः इति न्याय विरोधः स्यात् इत्याशंका. तर्हि न आत्मा अश्रुतेः. 8 नंबर इज ए ब्रह्म सूत्र. न आत्मा अश्रुतेः नित्यत्वाच्च ताभ्यः इति ब्रह्म सूत्रम. तदर्थस्तु आत्मा नोत्पद्यते. Atma doesn't have utpatti. So if you take this meaning, Atma means Paramatma is born as Jivatma or Paramatma is utpanna as Jivatma, then na Atma ashrutehe, na Atma utpannaha ashrutehe. With this Brahma Sutra, there will be Virodha. Iti Nyaya Virodha. Iti Ashankyaha. This is, see, if Virodha will be with Brahma Sutra, if you tell something which is not said in Vedanta, if we are referring to something in Vedanta, then there is no direct Virodha. Now, if you say, is it the ultimate teaching or not, that is subject to question. But at least it is not contradicted because we are not seeing something outside of Vedanta. Utpatti is also according to Vedanta, refutation is according to Brahma Sutra, which is referring to Upanishad only. Then later we'll say this Utpatti is Gauni. That is said here in Bhashya. Vedanteshu sa mahakashat ghatashkasho utpatti sama na paramarthataha iti abhiprayah. that Utpatti is not Paramartha Utpatti. It is just like how from Mahakasha, Ghatakasha, Utpatti takes place. Tika. So up to this clear? First two padas are explained. Now Tritiya Padam, not Tritiya Padam, Tritiya Padam. Third pada is Ghatadivaccha Sangati. तस्मादेव आकाशात् घटादयः संघाताः यथा उत्पद्यन्ते एवं आकाशस्थानीयात् परमात्मनः पृथिव्यादिभूत संघाताः आध्यात्मिकाश्च कार्यकरणलक्षणा रज्जु सर्पवत् विकल्पिता जायन्ते. तस्मात् देयरफॉर आकाशात् घटादयः संघाताः, फ्रॉम आकाश there is utpatti of sanghata, means ghatadi, yatha utpadyante. Evam, in the same way, from akasha sthaniya paramatma prithvivyadi bhuta sanghata adhyatmikascha jayante. Adhyatmikascha jayante. Karya karana lakshana rajju sarpavad vikalpita. Last time we saw these shlokas without full tika and hardly some tippanis. Adhyatmikasya jayante. How? What are these? Karya karana lakshana. Sthula sharira, sukshma sharira. All these utpatti is also from akasha. Karya and karana. How? Rajju sarpavat vikalpitaha. They all are also projection. From Paramatma they are vikalpita. Not from Vyavaharik standpoint. Tika. Ukte arthe vakyam avatarayati. In this now, he gives the reference. Atah uchyate ghatadivaccha sanghataihi udita. That's why in Karika it is said, ghatadivaccha sanghataihi uditaha. Udita will come from Dvitiya pada. Iti. Tika. आकाशस्य अवकाश प्रदानेन घटादि उत्पत्तौ कारणत्वं निर्विकारस्यैव दृष्टम् इति द्रष्टव्यम्. आकाशस्य अवकाश प्रदानेन, आकाश, what does it do? Now you see this, what he is giving here in the sense of utpatti, he is not referring to Taittiriya Vakya here. Because Taittiriya Vakya he is going to refer in 10th Karika. So here he gives just simple general idea. Akashasya avakasha pradanena ghatadi utpattau karanatvam. How Akasha is karana for ghatadi utpatti, not using the tasmadvaya tasmadatmana akasha sambhuta, but Akasha gives avakasha, means space, accommodation. In that way, Akasha has Utpatti Karanam of Ghata, or all. Because everything is in Akasha, so Akasha will become a Karaka. And Karana it will become, it will be Sahakari Karana. Really speaking, it is Upadana Karanam, according to Shruti. But he says, Avakasha Pradanena Ghatadi Utpatau Karanatvam. Nirvikarasya eva drashtam iti drashtavya. So Akasha is also nirvikara, but it becomes karanam in this way. How is Akasha karanam in the Mandukya, in the Taittiriya Shruti? Tasmadvaya tasmad atmanaha Akasha sambhuta, Akashad vayu. How from nirvikar Akasha Vayu Utpatti can take place. Nirvikar Vastu cannot be Karanam for anything. Nirvikara or Niravayava Vastu cannot be Karanam. If Akasha is Upadana Karanam for Vayu, Akasha has to undergo modification. Brahma cannot undergo modification. Akasha cannot undergo modification. Then how Vayu Utpatti will come? And Vayu is Vivarta of Akasha. If you say Vayu is Vivarta of Brahma, that you can say. But you cannot say Vayu is Vivarta of Akasha. Vayu is Vivarta of Brahma. Vayu is Parinama of Akasha. From Akash Vayu to Agni is not Vivarta, it is Parinama. Correct?
Yes.
So how Nirvikar Vastu will have this? This was discussed in Brahma Sutra in the Ashtadasha. So Akasha is actually not Akasha. It is Akasha Bhava Panna Brahma. So Vayu Utpatti is not from Akasha. Vayu Utpatti is from Brahma. See, if Vayu Utpatti is from Akasha, then what will happen? You will have to say Brahma is Karanam for Akasha. But Brahma is not Karanam for Vayu. Brahma is not Karanam for Agni. So everything is not from Brahma. So really speaking, from Brahma, Akasha Utpatti. Then from Brahma Bhavapanna Akasha, Vayu. From Brahma Bhavapanna Vayu, Agni. From Brahma Bhavapanna Agni, Jalam. Therefore, everything is from Brahma. You remember this? Anybody remembers? So many people.
Yes.
So then Brahma is Karanam for all, that Siddhi will happen. Because Brahma is Karanam for all, therefore Eka Vijnanena Sarva Vijnanam, Sarvajnatvam will happen. And everything will be Vivarta only. There is no, if you say from Brahma comes Akasha, that is Vivarta, and from Akasha comes Vayu, that is Parinama, this confusion will not be there. Everything is from Brahma, everything is Vivarta only. So, then if you want to say Akasha is Karanam for Sanghata, means Brahma Bhavapanna Akasha is Karanam for Sanghata. Na tu Paramarthata hai. In this way you can explain. Means so much subtle thinking in making sure every Shruti Vakya is properly fitting in. So just like how they do vichara for all sutras in Vyakarana also, here also in Vedanta, all sutras, you have to make sure there is no contradiction, everything fits in properly, etc. Jata Vityadehe Arthamaha. Jata Vetan Nidarshanam. That is explained now. Yada Manda Buddhim Pratipipadayushaya Shrutya Atmano Jati Ruchyate Jivadinam Tada Jata Upagamyamanayam Etan Nidarshanam Drishtanto Yathodita Kashavat Ityadi. When a Manda Buddhi Vidyarthi is there, Manda Buddhim Pratipipadayushaya Shrutya Atmano Jati Uchyate. Atmanaha Utpatti. So it is not Paramartha teaching, it is only to satisfy those whose intellect is little dull, so they are told, okay, you understand in this way. Pratipipadayushaya Shrutya Atmano Jati Uchyate. Atma has Jati, Utpatti. Jivadinam means Jivadi Rupena. Tada Jata Upagamyamanayam Etan Nidarshanam. Then this will be the Drishtanta to explain what kind of Utpatti. Jati means Utpatti, creation. What kind of Jati it is. So you see, Jati means Jati Niti Kula Gotra. Jati also means in Tarka Sangraha Jati Vyakti. And here Jati means Utpatti. Jati Shabda has different meanings. Tada Jatau Upagamyamanayam Etan Nidarshanam Drishtanta. This will become Drishtanta in creation. Means it is not a real creation, it is only apparently. Like, you know, when people, they travel from one place to another. So if a bag is there and lot of material is kept, let us say, and somebody says, oh, bag is full now. So the other person, oh, let me see, I can create some space. What do they say? I can create some space. What are they going to create? Nobody can create space. They will just arrange things little here and there. So see, now there is space. So put something more. This is nidarshanam in utpatti. Means it is not utpatti. It seems that there is utpatti. Drashtantah, nidarshanam drashtantah yatha udita akashavat ityadi. Like akasha utpanna as ghatakasha in this. Now utpatti is discussed, so pralaya also he is going to discuss in the next karika. Advaitasya jiva srishti shruti virodham parihritya. So what is accomplished in third karika, that Anand Giriji says. Advaita is not jiva srishti shruti viruddha. Jiva srishti shruti yato va imani bhutani jayante. That shruti or this yatha sudiptat pavakad visfulingaha sahasrasha prabhavante sarupaha. That shruti is not virodhi of Advaita. Remaining in Advaita, there is apparent creation. So that Advaita and Jiva Srishti Shruti Virodha Parihara is done in third karika. Tasyaiva Jiva Pralaya Shrutya Virodham Ashankya. Tasyaiva, Kasyaiva. Tasya Kasya Advaitasya Jiva Pralaya Shrutya Virodha. Now, Jiva Pralaya Shruti, there is Virodha. Second number tippani. Jiva Pralaya Shrutya Tatra cha eva apiyanti. In that same Yatha Sudiptad Pavakad Visfulingaha Sahasrasha Prabhavante. This is Srishti Sarupaha. Tadha Vividha Somya Bhavaha Prajayante Tatra Chaivapi Yanti. That Tatra Chaivapi Yanti is given here. Tatra Chaiva Apiyanti. Apiyanti means Pralayanti. Virodham Ashankya Pariharati. Ghatadishu. Ghatadishu Pralineshu. Ghatakashadayo Yatha. Akashe sampraliyante tadvajjiva ihatmani. Ghatadishu pralineshu yatha ghatakashadayah akashe sampraliyante. This is drishtanta. When ghata nasha takes place, ghatakasha nasha takes place as if. Where? In Akasha. So with Ghata Utpatti, Ghatakasha Utpatti is thought of. But really Ghatakasha Utpatti is not there. Similarly, with the Akasha Laya, Ghatakasha, so Ghata is broken, Ghatakasha merges into Mahakasha. Not really. So Pralaya is not of Ghatakasha. Pralaya is of Ghata. Tadvat Jiva Ihatmani. In the same way, Jiva also. Iha Atmani Sampraliyante. Tika. Aupadhikau Jivanam Utpatti Pralayau na Swabhavikau. Jivanam Utpatti Pralayau Aupadhikau. Because of Upadhi, Utpatti and Pralaya, Jivanam Utpatti Pralaya Drishyate. Na Swabhavikau. Utpatti Pralayau. तथा च उत्पत्ति श्रुत्या विरोध अभाववत् अद्वैतस्य प्रलय श्रुत्यापि न विरोधो अस्ति. Just as उत्पत्ति श्रुति and Advaita has no virodha, pralaya shruti and Advaita also doesn't have virodha. Iti shlokakshara vyakhyanena prakatayati. This is revealed by shlokakshara vyakhyana in bhashya now. Yatha Ghatadi utpatya Ghatakashadi utpatti. यथा च घटादि प्रलये घटाकाशादि प्रलयस तद्वत् देहादि संघात उत्पत्त्या जीवोत्पत्ति तत्प्रलये च मीन्स देहादि संघात प्रलये जीवानाम इह आत्मनि प्रलयो न स्वतः इत्यर्थः. So Vastavik Pralaya of Panch Mahabhuta will happen not now, it will happen only when Srishti gets dissolved. But for us, Nitya Pralaya is there in Sushupti. Sushupti Kale Sakale Viline Tamo Vibhuta Sukharupameti. Then another Pralaya is when Mrityu, death comes, so at that time this body is dropped. That is also pralaya, temporary pralaya, and then prakritik pralaya. Now comes a big and very important karika. Utpatti and laya to you have explained. Now Advaita Vyavastha Ashanka is there. Idanim Advaitasya Vyavastha Anupapatya Virodham Ashankya Pariharati. Idanim, now, Advaitasya Vyavastha Anupapatya. Advaita has Vyavastha Anupapatti. Purvapakshi is saying, Ashanka, in Advaita, how will you do Bandha Moksha Vyavastha, Sukha Dukha Vyavastha, Janma Marana Vyavastha? All this will not work. Because one Atma and different people have Sukha Dukha, Janma Mrityu, ityadi. So Siddhanti is going to say, no, there is no problem. Yathaikasmin ghatakashe rajo dhumadi bhiryute na sarve samprayujyante tadvajjiva sukhadibhihi. Yatha ekasmin ghatakashe rajo dhumadi bhiryute na sarve ghatakashaha samprayujyante. In one ghatakasha, if you put raja, some dirt, dhuma, smoke, all ghatakashas will not get affected. It will appear only in that one ghatakasha, not in all ghatakasha. Really speaking, even that ghatakasha doesn't get affected. Nabha, raja, tama, dhuma, dhuri, jimi, soha. In Ram Gita, not Ram Gita, in Shiva Gita. In Shiva Gita, this comes. Raja, tama, dhuma, dhuri, jimi, soha. So Raja, tama means darkness also. If the light is there in other pot and one pot is dark inside, all other pots, let's say they have a lamp inside, only that pot will have darkness, means ajnanam. Every pot doesn't have darkness. So Raja, Tama, Dhuma and Dhuri. So here two are given, there Goswami has given more. Ramayana, so we don't do Bhagavatam also, so whatever examples we remember from before, they are also slowly going away. Uma Rama Vishayak Asamoha Nabatama Dhuma Dhuri Jimi Soha. I think that is how the Chaupai is. Uma Rama, regarding Rama also all this moha is there. Okay, so now Tika. In the same way, Tadvat Jivaha, सुखादिभिः न संप्रयुज्यन्ते. Jiva doesn't have contact with sukha dukha, bandha moksha, janma marana. All this is at the level of sthula sharira, sukshma sharira ityadi. Mukti also is only if there is bandha. If you say Jivatma is Paramatma, Paramatma was never really bound. Therefore, there is no really liberation also. Both are eva, as if. उक्त दृष्टान्तवशाद् एकस्मिन् जीवे सुखादि संयुक्ते सति अपरे जीवास्तैरेव सुखादिभिर् न संयुज्यन्ते औपाधिक भेदात् इत्याह. So drishtanta is of Ghatakasha and Rajodhuma etc. Ekasmin jive sukhadi sanyukte. In one jiva, let's say sukha is there. One jiva is associated with sukham. Or one jiva is associated with janma marana. Or any raga dvesha, whatever. Sanyukte sati apare jivaha taihi eva sukhadi bir na sanyujyante. Other jivas are not affected by sukhadi. Why? Aupadika Vedat Itya. Because their upadhis are different. Tadvat jiva sukhadibhi. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam Darshayati. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam. What is the meaning of this? The Shanka that will be Ashanka that will be there, which is eliminated by this shloka, is being presented first. Vyavartya. Vyavartya, how that shabda is formed? Vyavartya is Visheshana for Ashanka, is a Strilinga shabda. Vyavartya shabda is there, Striling will be Vyavartya. Dvitiya Ekvachanam will be Vyavartyam. My question is, V A upasarg purva vrit dhatu nijant. Which pratyaya is there? If you say lyap pratyaya will make it avyaya. This is declined. This is what I wanted to tell. It is not lyap pratyaya. If you like the shabda parihritya, so the tya is there at the end. Here vyavartya, tya is there at the end. Parityajya, jya is there at the end. So that ya which comes, it appears as if it is lyap pratyaya here. But this is not lyap. If it was lyap pratyaya, the shabda would have become avyaya shabda. Avyaya shabda we will not have pullinga, strilinga, prathama, dvitiya, etc. It is pratyaya. So there are other pratyayas which will bring ya, but does not make it indeclinable. So I was just checking if they have not given it here, but there is a similar shabda. But this much you remember that there is no, this is not lyap pratyaya. Lyap pratyaya will make it avyaya. So shloka vyavartyam ashankam darshayati. सर्वदेहेषु आत्म एकत्वे एकस्मिन् जनन मरण सुखादिमत्यात्मनि सर्वात्मनां तत्संबंधः क्रियाफल सांकर्यं च स्यात् इति ये आहुः ये सांख्याः. This is the first पूर्वपक्ष, सांख्य पूर्वपक्ष. द्वैतिनस् तान प्रति idam uchyate. So those people who say, if there is only one Atma, sarvadeheshu Atma ekatve, then the apatti is एकस्मिन् जनन मरण सुखादिमति आत्मनि, एकस्मिन् आत्मनि, one atma will have janana marana sukha dukha etc. Sarvatmanam tat sambandha, all atma will have that sambandha. And kriya phala sankaryam cha, one will do karma, somebody else will get phalam. Why? One atma. Kriya phala sankaryam, this is called mixing up of karma and karma phala. Chasyat iti ye ahuhu, द्वैतिनः, those द्वैतिन्स who say this, तान प्रति idam uchyate, towards them this is said. Let us see टीका. ऐकात्म्ये कर्तरि एकस्मिन् कर्तारः सर्वे भोक्तरि च एकस्मिन् भोक्तारः सर्वे भवेयुः इति अव्यवस्थान्तरम आह. So in shloka, in bhashya, bhashyakar gave janana marana sukha. Tikakar adds some more also to elaborate that kriya phala. What is that? Aikatmye, if there is one atma, kartari ekasmin kartaraha, sarve bhoktari cha ekasmin bhoktaraha sarve bhaveyu. If there is only one karta, aikatmye kartari ekasmin kartaraha, कर्तरी एकस्मिन् कर्तारः, कर्तरी एकस्मिन्, if there is one karta, then sarve kartarah. After sarve, if you want, you put swalpa viram, means comma. कर्तरी एकस्मिन् कर्तारः सर्वे, भोक्तरी च एकस्मिन् भोक्तारः सर्वे भवेयुः. They will also write in such a way. Ekasmin kartari sarve kartarah. This would be simple way of writing. When there is one karta, all will become karta. Not ekasmin kartari sarve kartarah. Kartari ekasmin kartarah sarve. Means they want shishya buddhi prarochanam. That student should not be dull sitting ready to sleep in the afternoon after heavy bandara, that I already know I am Brahma. You go on talking. You are still in Jagrata Avastha. I am in Prathama Pada. I am already in Tritiya Pada. Not Jagrat, not Swapna. Sushupta. I am close to Turiya. Sarve Bhaveyu. Anand Giriji knows all this. That's why he writes. Iti avyavasthantaram aha. Another avyavastha also will be there. Kriyaphala sankaryam. Vyavastha anupapatya dvaitam eva eshtavyam iti vadantam. So vyavastha will not happen. That's why best is just accept dvaitam. Like we all did. Why break our head, create all these complicated system? So I heard that in Bible also, earlier they had this karma yoga, karma siddhanta and punarjanma and everything. Then they saw people are getting confused because they are ati manda buddhi, not manda buddhi, ati manda buddhi. So after 5th century, they said, let us remove all these things from Bible, and they made it only one life. You decide you want to go here, they'll be sent to heaven or hell. Bas, over. No, don't worry about punarjanma. Why to do so much thinking? Thinking you do about Vishaya, Bhoga, all those things, all the time. Go on sending messages, emails. Kimidam aikatmye sankaryam. Dvaitam eshtavyam iti vadantam. Vadantam prati. Vadantam, vadat shabda will form vadantam. Dvaitinaha iti vadantam dvaitinam prati. वदन् वदन्तौ वदन्तः वदन्तं द्वैतिनं प्रति उत्तरत्वेन श्लोकम् अवतारयति. तान् प्रति, towards them this shloka is given now. किमिदम् ऐकात्म्ये सांकर्यं किम एकस्मिन् जीवे व्यवस्थितेन सुखादीना जीवान्तराणां तद्वत्वं स्याद् इत्युच्यते. किं वा सर्वोपादिषु आत्मैक्यात् तस्य स्वरूपेण सर्वसुखादिमत्वं स्याद् इति आपाद्यते. There is another correction on page number 135. We haven't come, but we will come soon. 135, second line, टीका. ग्रहण कारण संयोगेनैव स्मृति उत्पत्ति, not उपपत्ति. Actually, both readings are there. Bade Maharaj ji has taken utpatti reading. Okay. So, apadyate means it is as if superimposed. Kimidam aikatmye, if there is one Atma, Sankaryam. What kind of Sankaryam is this? Kim ekasmin jive vyavasthitena sukhadina jivantaranam tadvatvam syad iti uchyate. Is it this kind of Sankaryam? If one jiva is there, vyavasthitena means niyatena. If that one jiva is getting sukham, then jivantaranam aupadika bheda bhinnanam iti. I am also reading Tippani, 2 number, 3 number. 1 number said, Yatha Akasha Aikye Bheryaakasha Vyavasthitena Shabdena Veenakashasya Tadvatvam Uchyate. Bheri, kettle drum, big drum. So there if one kind of sound comes, Veena Akasha doesn't produce that sound. Veena Akash will produce different kind of sukshma sound. So he says, Purvapakshi is saying, in the same way, if somebody has sukham, some other person also will have sukham. Why? Only one Atma. So is this Sankarya you are talking about? Sukhadina, ekasmin jive vyavasthitena sukhadina, jivantaranam tadvatvam syad iti uchyate. 1. Kim va, or सर्वोपादिषु आत्मैक्यात् तस्य स्वरूपेण सर्वदुःख सुखादिमत्वं स्यात् इति आपाद्यते. और सर्वोपादिषु आत्मा, in all upadi there is one Atma. So all upadis will behave in the same way. Swarupena sarva sukhadimatvam. 4 and 5 number tippani. किं वा भेर्यादिषु सर्वत्र आकाश ऐक्यात् सर्व शब्दवत्वम् एकस्यैव आकाशस्य यथा. See now here in Tippani has given apadyate and in Tika apadyate is given. It's okay. Apadyate means prapyate. Apadyate means it is nijanta. स्वरूपेण सर्वान्युस्युत स्वीय रूपेण. I am anusyuta in all. So if something happens in me, it will be reflected in all. स्वरूपेण सर्व सुखादिमत्वं स्याद् इति आपाद्यते. तत्र आद्यं प्रत्याह तद्वत् जीवः सुखादिभिः. Now, Purvapaksha is going to come, which we'll see tomorrow. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।